Hi guys, welcome to BSK Education channel and also welcome to the Sidhu Study Circle YouTube channel. So myself Sidhu, I am the faculty of Arithmetic and Reasoning. Now we are going to discuss about the MTS previous examination aptitude question paper pattern. So friends, obviously as you know about MTS examinations will be in English and Hindi. So thus we are teaching English only. So friends, I covered some of the arithmetic questions up to possible extent today. So remaining questions will be seen next video. So first of all, I will read the question. You have to listen first. So once pause your video, so then you will come to know about the question. Okay, right. So I have to read the first question. First question, Captain A travels 15 km with the speed of 30 km per hour. He travels another 25 km with a speed of 10 km per hour. What is average speed for the entire journey? So friends, is given the two distances and the two speeds also. So find his average speed. As you know about the average speed, if the given two or more speeds or two or more distances, then average speed, how you calculate? So average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time. So total distance is nothing but, see, a person travels 15 kilometers. A person travels 15 kilometers is nothing but total distance 15 kilometers. So another distance is 25 kilometers. So is not given the time period. So how is going to be calculated if they not given the time period? You know about the distance and speed. For 15 km covered is the traveled the speed of how much? 30 km per hour. Okay na? 30 km per hour. 15 divided by 30 plus. So for the 25 kilometers, he traveled for the speed of 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. Simple. So by calculating 15 plus 25 is nothing but 40. 40 divided by LCM is 30 comma LCM. 30 comma 10. So what is the LCM of 10 comma 30? So is nothing but 30. So 15 plus 25. 10 into 3 is 3 into 25 is 75. So 40 into 30 divided by 90. So 3 ones are 30 ones are 33 is. So 40 divided by 3 is nothing but, so 3 into 13 is 39. So 1 by 3 kilometer per hour. Simple thing. So if the given options is 40 divided by 3, but I simplified the 13 1 by 3 kilometer per hour. So simple. It is asked about the average speed. He given two distances and two speeds. If he given the two distance and two speeds, how we are going to be calculate the average speed? Average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time. So by using this small formula, so I calculated 13 1 by 3 kilometer per hour. So second question guys, simple. If P is to Q is equal to 5 is to 2, then find 2P minus 3Q. So 3P minus 5Q. See guys, these questions are based on the 10th class only. These examinations will be going on 10th class only. So that's the thing. The questions are maybe easy, so maybe average. Some of the questions may be in critical position. So if P is to Q is equal to 5 is to 2, find 2P minus 3Q is to 3P minus 5Q. So is nothing but P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 2. Take P value is 5, Q value is 2. Then substitute the values in equation. 2P minus 3Q. Okay na? P is nothing but 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. So Q is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 2. 3 into P. P value. What the value of P? 5. So 3 into 5, 15. Minus 5 into 2, 10. So simple thing, 4 is to 5. So This question came from the ratio and proportion, but is simple. Why? Because in this equation P is to Q is equal 5 is to 2 is nothing but P value is 5, next Q value is 2. So see guys, third question. I am going to discuss about the third question. So listen carefully. I am reading the question. You have to listen. An article is sold for 2070 rupees at a 15% profit. If the article is sold for 1890, then the what will be the gain or loss percentage? Simple friends. So an article is sold for 2070 rupees with the 15% profit. So 2070, in that we had 15% of profit. It's nothing but simple. 115% is nothing but 2070. Then 100%. You know about the profit and loss. We are taking 100% as a cost price. So 100% is cost price. Cost price is nothing but 1800 rupees. 1800 rupees. If you are simplify, simple thing. So 520 is a 523 is a 23 into 9 is a 207. 9 into 20 is a 180. 9 into 3 is a 27. 180 plus 27 is nothing but 207. So 90. 90 into 20. 9 into 2 is a 18. So you will take the double zeros at the right side. So simple. This is the cost price. But in the given question, if the article is sold for 1890, then what will be the gain or loss percentage? Simple. So if the article sold for the 1890, is purchased 800 rupees for an article, is sold for the 1890 rupees. So what the mean of profit or loss? Simple profit, because he purchased the 800 rupees, he sold at the rate of 1890. So simple, 90 rupees profit. So profit percentage is nothing but profit divided by, so cost price is nothing but 1800 into 100%. Double zero cancel. So 8 into 8 5 are. So simple, 5%. 5% rate of interest. Simple, 5% rate of interest. So we are going to discuss about the fourth problem. So this question will be on LCM and SCF. You know about the LCM and SCF, simple. So I have to read the question first. What is the smallest number which when increased by 5 is divisible by 12, 18 and 30? So simple. Once again, I am reading the question. What is the smallest number which when increased by 5 is divisible by 12, 18, 30? 12, 18, 30. Simple. 12, 18, 30. What should we do? First take the LCM of 12, 18, 30. So in that you have to decrease to 5 number, then you will get the answer. So simple, 12. So 12 is nothing but 4 into 3 is a, so 2 square into 3. 18 is nothing but 2 into 9, 2 into 3 square. So 13 is nothing but 6 into 5 or else 2 into 3 into 5. So for the LCM, I am discussing about this process is prime factorization method. According to the prime factorization method, I am using this type of formulas. Okay. So for the LCM method, so take the all common factors. Take the all common factors. Is nothing but 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there. So take all common factors. 2 into 3 into 5 with the highest powers. Take the common factors with the highest powers. So highest powers 2 square. So 2 power 1 means 2 square. Here 3 square. So 5 power 1. 2 square is nothing but 4. 3 square is nothing but 5. So 5 into 5. So 3 square is nothing but 9. So 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 9 is 180. So simple guys, simple. 12, 18, 30. So what's the LCM of 12, 18, 30 is nothing but 180. Or else you have to take the sum of the multiples of 30. So in that we have to observe which is the greatest number, 12, 18, 30. So greatest number is 30. So take the multiples of 30. If the multiples of 30 is divisible by the remaining numbers, so that is called the LCM. So 30 into 2 is 60. 60 is not divisible by 18. 30 into 3 is 90. 90 is not divisible by 12. So 30 into 4 is 30 into 5 is 30 into 6 is. So 30 into 6 is nothing but 180. 180 is exactly divisible by 12 and 18. So LCM of 12 and 12 comma 18 comma 30 is nothing but 180. But here question is, what is the smallest number which when increased by 5? When increased by 5 nothing but, so if decreased by 5, then the answer is 175. If the increased by 5, then 175 will become the 180. So answer is 175. 175. Take the LCM and decrease by 5. You will get the answer. Simple answers. You will get the simple answers. Okay guys, we will discuss about the fifth question. So this question is based on the profit and loss. So profit and loss. I have to read the fifth question once. Market price and cost price of an article in the ratio 5:4. Simple thing. He is given market price and cost price. So market price and cost price. So is the given in the ratio of 5:4. 5:4. If the profit is earned by selling the article is 12.5%. So then what is the discount percentage? See guys, this question is based on the discount. So as you know about the discount, how we calculate the discount? So discount is only calculated by the market price. Market price. So see guys, so actually an article will have only 3 cost prices. So nothing but an article will have 3 prices, is nothing but one is cost price, then another one is selling price, another one is market price. This is the highest value for an article. This is the lowest value for an article. So if add the profit, if add the profit to the cost price, then you will get the selling price. If you add the discount, if the discount is added to the selling price, you will get the market price. Simple. From right side to left side. So what we called, if you subtract the discount from the market price, you will get the selling price. If the profit is subtracted from the selling price, nothing but cost price. So these are the procedure we have to calculate it for the discount. These are the procedures. So simple. Some of the guys, they are thinking about an article which have only 2 values or 2 prices, that is selling price and cost price. No friends. So an article which have the 3 prices, one is cost price, another one is selling price, and the last one is the market price. Discount will be calculated so on the market price only. So simple thing, market price and cost price, they are given the ratio 5:4. 5:4 is nothing but 500 is to 400. So take the cost price is 400 rupees, but is given if the profit is earned by selling the article is 12.5%. 12.5%. So as you know about the cost price, we will take the 100%. So simple, 100% is 400 rupees. Then 112.5% is how much? How much is nothing but 450 rupees. 450 rupees. So here it is the selling price. So I want the market price. Market price is how much the amount? Market price is 500 rupees and the selling price is 450 rupees. So what's the difference between the market price and selling price? If how much percentage of discount is given by the market price, then what will be the 450 rupees for the selling price? So simple thing, selling price is equal to 450 rupees, market price is equal to 500 rupees. Take the difference. Difference is 50. 50 is nothing but 10%. If we given the 10% discount on market price, you will get the 450 rupees for the selling price. Simple thing. So 10% of discount to 10% discount to. Sir, how is calculated 10% directly? So this is the simple. So 450 to 500 is nothing but 50. 50 is calculating on 500 rupees. 500 rupees into 100 percentage. So 0000 cancel. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So discount is 10 percentage. Discount is 10 percentage. So guys, sixth question will be based on the pure maths question. So sixth question, I have to read the first. So the length of breadth and height of a cuboid are 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? So you know about the cuboid. So cuboid having the three values, three measurements. One is length, another one is breadth and another one is height. So LBH. Simple thing. I draw one cuboid. So cuboid will be like this. This is the length, this is the breadth, this is the height. So they given the three values. So length he given the 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, next 4 centimeters. What is the total surface of cuboid? So you know about the total surface of cuboid formula. 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Simple thing. So total surface area is nothing but 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So simplify. 2 into LB, 5 into 2 is 10, 2 into 4 is 8, 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 plus 10, 30, 38. So 2 into 38. So it's nothing but 76 centimeters square. 76 centimeters square. So find the total surface area of the cuboid, which the value of 5 centimeters, 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter is nothing but the 76 centimeter square. 76 centimeter square. So guys, we will discuss about the seventh question. It is based on the time and work. Okay guys, this question is based on the time and work. Simple. So I am reading the question. You have to listen carefully. Capital A, comma B and C working alone can do a piece of work in 15, 30 and 75 days respectively. They work together and get 1615 rupees, 1615 rupees. So for completing the whole work, what is the difference in share of A and C? Simple. So they are giving the values. A, B, C. They are working together. They are working alone. A can alone do a piece of work is 15 days. B can do a piece of work in 30 days. And C can do a piece of work is 75 days respectively. Find the LCM. 15, 30, 75 LCM is nothing but 150. So total units is 150. So 15, how much? So 15 into 10 za. So 30 into 5 za. 75 into 2 za. So these are the efficiency ratios. Actually, the wages are calculated by the efficiency only. So not for the time period. So it is calculated by the efficiency. So 10 is to 5 is to 2 is nothing but 10 is to 5. I means 10 plus 5 plus 2 is nothing but 17. 17 parts is equal to the 16, 15. What about the A, B, C? What is the difference between A and C? 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8 parts. So 17. So 17 into 8 za. So simple. 17 into 9 za. 153. So 153 is nothing but 95. So 8 into 5 za. So 40. Next 4. 8 9 za 72. 760 rupees. This is the difference between A and C. Simple guys. Once again. So listen carefully. A can alone do a piece of work is 15 days. So B alone can do a piece of work in 30 days. So C alone can do a piece of work in 75 days respectively. So LCM of 15, 30, 70, 75 is nothing but the 150. Total units is 150. Per day. So 150 divided by 15. Per day is doing the 10 units per day. Is doing the 5 units per day. Is doing the 2 units per day. So Wages are calculated by the efficiency only. Wages are calculated so by the wages only. So 10 is to 5 is to 2. So total parts is 17. 17 parts is nothing but total price. So 16, 15. Then the difference between A and C. Difference between A and C. A is 10 parts, C is 2 parts. Difference is 8 parts. 8 parts is nothing but 760 rupees. So this is almost seventh question. Seventh question. So guys, I am teaching previous aptitude question paper pattern for the MTS examinations. MTS examinations. As you know about the MTS examinations is based on the SSC level. So some of the questions will be in easy mode. So don't worry. So you will get some of the idea about the examination pattern and aptitude examination question paper. So right. So another one is eighth question. Eighth question, it's very easy, and this question is based on the HCF. HCF. So what is HCF of? What is HCF of 2 power of 3 into 3 power of 4 and 2 power of 5 into 3 power of 2. 3 power of 2. What is the HCF? Guys, this question is based on the prime factorization method. According to the prime factorization method, take the HCF of the two values. See, nothing but while calculating the HCF, take only common factors for the multiplication. So here 2 is there, here 2 is there, then 2, take the 2 value. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there, then take the value of 3 with the lowest power. When you are calculating the HCF, take the lowest powers, least powers. So then see, 2 power of 3 is least or 2 power of 5 is the least. Which is the least for the 2 power of 3 or 2 power of 5? So obviously got 2 power of 3. Then here you have to compare the 3 power of 4 and 3 power of 2. So which is the least power? 3 power of square. So this is the HCF. This is the HCF. Then wherever they maybe the question asked on the LCM. So what will you do? Maybe the question asked in HCF or like LCM. So what you do? What you do is nothing but take the all factors and with the highest powers. So here I am calculating the HCF. HCF is nothing but take the all factors, common factors. Take the common factors with the highest powers. So simple. I am writing here LCM, HCF. Take the all factors. Take the all factors with highest power. So for the HCF, take only common factors with the least powers. So here I taken almost here 2 is a 2, here 3. So I am taking only least powers. 2 power of 3, 2 power of 5. Which is the least? So 2 power of 3, 3 power of 4 and 3 power square. So which is the least? 3 square. So this is the HCF. Simple. This is the HCF. So this question was 8 and 9th question. So guys, this question based on the discount. What is a single discount equivalent to 2 successive discounts of 10% and 15%? So simple thing he is asking. So what is the single discount? It is equivalent to the 2 discounts. Already he is given. So one is 10% and is 15%. Nothing but take the discount. Already I discovered discount is only calculated on market price. Take the market price value is 100. 100 into first discount 10%. 10% is nothing but 90 divided by 100. So another discount is 15%. Is nothing but 85 divided by 100. Simple. 100 into 100 cancel. 100 divided by 100. So 0 cancel. So 9 5 is 45. 4. So 9 into 8 is 72. 76.5. So for the 2 discounts, it will be equal to the 76.5 percentage. But not, this is not the discount. This we have to pay the 76.5 percentage. So means the market price is 100 percentage. Take the difference between 100% and 76.5 percentage. You will get the total discount. So 100 percentage minus 76.5 percentage is nothing but 23.5 percentage. 23.5 percentage. This is the single discount. These are the two discounts. One is 10 percentage, another one is 15 percentage. These two discounts will be equivalent to the 23.5 percentage. 23.5 percentage. So almost 9th question completed. So we are going to discuss about the 10th question. 10th question. So guys, this question will be asked in MTS examination paper. So 2019 August. So based on the average. Guys, this question is based on averages. So simple thing, I have to read the question carefully. So listen carefully. The average of 13 numbers is 42. If a 14th number is included, then the average becomes 44. What is the 14th number? It's quite simple. It is quite simple. So this is the 10th question. Almost 10th question. The average of 13th numbers is 42. If the 14th number is included, means one number is included, then what will be the number? 14. So then the average is 44. Simple thing. So don't calculate 13 into 42, 14 into 44. So 14 into 44 minus 13 into 42. You have to get one value, that is the 14th number. Don't calculate like that. So see, the average is increased by 2. So for the 13 numbers, average is 42. For the 14 numbers, average is 44. Means 42 to 44. How much increased? Two numbers increased. On which numbers? 14 numbers. 2 numbers is increased on 14 numbers. Means 2 is increased on the 14 numbers. Is nothing but total. 2 into 14. 2 into 14 is nothing but 28. So simple. So first average is 42 and the total number is 28. 42 plus 28 is equal to, so 42, so 70. Simple, 70. So once again guys, the average of 13 numbers is 42. The average of 14 numbers is 44. So this is increased by 2. On which numbers? 14 numbers. And each number increased by 2 means 14 numbers also increased by 2. So the sum of the numbers is nothing but 2 into 14 is equal to 28. So first the average of first is 42. So then the average of remaining 14 numbers is 28. So 42 plus 28 is nothing but the 14th number. This is the 14th number. So guys, 11th question. So 11th question will be based on the pure mass volumes. So I have to read the question. If the volumes of two cubes are the ratio of 64 is to 125, then what is the ratio of their total surface area? Guys, so two cubes are given in the ratio. One is 164, one is 64. Another cube is given with the ratio of 125. Simple. You have to find the side of that cube. Each side of that cube. So simple. Take, this is A1, this is A2. So A1 cube is equal to 64. A2 cube is equal to 125. Then A1 is equal to 4. A2 is equal to 5. Simple thing. But here is asking total surface area. What is the ratio between total surface area? Then find the total surface area. In the cube, we have 6 faces. Then 6a square. 6a1 square is to 6a2 square. 6 to 6 cancel. a1 square is nothing but 16. a2 square is nothing but 25. Simple. So the ratio between the total surface area of two cubes is nothing but 16 is to 25. So take another question. It is very easy. 12th question. I am discussing about the 12th question. This question is based on the ratio and proportion. You know very well about the ratio and proportion. So I read the question. If A by B is equal to 3 by 4, B by C is equal to 4 by 5, C by D is equal to 5 by 6, then the sum of the numerator and denominator of A by D whole power of 10 is. So he is asking, actually he is given. So A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. So B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. C is to D is equal to 5 is to 6. He is asking A by D whole power of 10 is not only asking A by D whole power of 10. So he is asking sum of the numerator and denominator. So simple thing, guys. So while you are comparing the B values, here A is to B in that B value is 4. Here B is to C value. Here B is equal to 4. So 4, 4, 5, 5. So nothing but simple. A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 6. If the B values are equal, take only one value. If the B values are equal in the two ratios, take only one value. So A is to B is 3 is to 4. Here B value 4. Here B value 4. Take the B value only once. 3 is to 4 is to 5. Here the same thing. So here B is to C is equal to 5. So here C is to D is equal to, here C value is 5. So comparison of C values are cancelled. Then A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. But here asking A by D whole power of 10. A by D whole power of 10. So A is nothing but 3. D is nothing but 6. Whole power of 10. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 power of 10 is nothing but 1. 2 power of 10 is nothing but 1024. But this is not the right answer. He is asking what is the sum of numerator and denominator. So then calculate the numerator and denominator is nothing but 1025. 1 plus 1024 is nothing but 1024. It is very easy. It's very easy. Okay guys, the 13th question is also based on the averages. So what is the average of first 7 prime numbers? And in the bracket they given correct to 2 decimal places. What is the first 7 prime numbers? What is the average of first 7 prime numbers? Take the first 7 prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So these are the 3, 3, 6, 7. So total 7. We have to take in first 7 prime numbers. The average of first 7 prime numbers. So 13 plus 17. So 30. So here 10. So 30 plus 10, 40, 51, 58. 58 divided by, here how many numbers? 7 numbers. As you know about the average is nothing but sum of the observations divided by number of the observations. Sum of the observations is 58, number of the observations is 7. So it's nothing but 7 into. So 7 8s are 56. So 2 20. So 7 2s are 7 8s are. So almost 8.28 is the average. 8.28 is the average. By using the assumed average also, we will get the answer. Previously, I uploaded the one video on the averages. You have to see in my YouTube channel. So 14th question. It is based on the simple interest. So the simple interest for 9 years on a principal is 3 by 5 of the principal. What is the rate of interest per annum? Is not given the principal amount directly. It will be in fractions mode. So guys, simple interest for 9 years. Time period, they given the 9 years time period. So I want PI, but he is asking rate of interest. He is given simple interest for 9 years on a principal is 3 by 5. Is nothing but 3 by 5 is nothing but. So 5 is the principal amount, 3 is the interest. Simple. So 5 part is the principal amount and 3 parts is the interest. So take the value. Principal amount is 5. So I value is 3. So R is nothing but 100 into I divided by, so PT. So 100 into I is nothing but 3. P is nothing but 5 into time period 9 years. So 3 3s are 5 20s are. So 20 divided by 3 percentage are nothing but 16 2 by 3 percentage. So 6 2 by 3 percentage. 3 into 6 are 18 plus 2 20 divided by 3 percentage are nothing but Simple you have to take. So P is 100%. Then I by T is rate of interest. You have to calculate by using this method also. So if the P is equal to the 100%, then I by T is nothing but the rate of interest. Simple. So P how much? 5 parts. So 5 parts is nothing but 100%. I by T, I is nothing but 3. Time period 9. 3 ones are. So 5 20s are. So 20 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 6 2 by 3%. By using the shortcut method, you will get the answers is very easily. So this is the 14th question. So 15th question. Guys, this question is based on the compound interest. So almost some of the people are feared about the compound interest, but the compound interest is very easy if you know about the percentages. Almost compound interest is based on the percentages only. So here MTS examinations, he given one of the question. So which is the basic question, as you know about the basic questions of the compound interest. So this is the 15th question, guys. So principal amount is given, the principal amount is 10,000 rupees. So rate of is 10% per annum. Per annum he given 10%. Time period is equal to 3 years. Find the compound interest. So see guys, don't use the A is equal to P of 1 plus R divided by 100 whole power of n. So don't use this formula. A is equal to P of 1 plus R divided by 100 whole power of n. By using this formula, you will get the answers, but it will take some more and more time. So that's the reason you have to don't use this type of formula for the basic questions. So this is the very simple. So whenever the questions will be asked, or maybe the questions on based on the compound interest, you have to take the percentages. The rate of interest should be Take the rate of interest 10%. 10% is nothing but 1 by 10. Take rate of interest 10% is nothing but 1 by 10. In the 1 by 10, this is the principal amount, this is the interest. Always you have to take the principal amount and amount too. Amount is nothing but P plus I, principal amount too. Sum of the principal amount and interest is nothing but the total amount. So guys, PA. So here principal amount is 10 for 1 year, principal amount is 10 for 2 years, principal amount is 10 for 3 years. Here A means P plus I nothing but 10 plus 1, 11. So 10 cube is nothing but 1000. 11 cube is nothing but 1331. So for the compound interest, take the difference of total amount and principal amount. This is the 331. Simple. 1000 is nothing but 10,000 equal to the principal amount. So here you get the 1000 parts. 1000 parts is equal to the 10,000. Then 331 parts is equal to the 331,000. This is the compound interest, guys. It's very easy. So check the ones. So whenever the questions will be asked on the compound interest, so you have to remember one thing. Take the rate of interest. Rate of interest is 10%. 10% is nothing but 1 by 10. In that fraction, denominator should be a principal amount, numerator should be a interest. So sum of the principal amount and interest is nothing but the total amount. So take the PA. So I given already all those data. So you have to observe. So here you take the P, here you take the A. So principal amount for the 1 year 10, 2 years 10, 3 years 10. So total 3 years is 1000. So amount is 11 into 11 is equal 331. Here he is asking the compound interest. Otherwise, if they ask the total amount, then should be equal. 1000 parts is equal to 10,000. Then 1331 parts should be equal to the something 1331, 13,331,0. So like that. So here these questions based on the compound interest to simple interest, ratio and proportion, percentages to profit and loss. So like that we are discussing. So further next video we will upload by your commenting. So please give your valuable comment. So if you like the this video, share to all groups. So for the next video we will upload soon. So by your review or commenting, then we will further proceed. Thank you so much.